Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best pie plate on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Glass Pie Plate with Lid. Pie is a wonderful thing, but storing the leftovers can be a bit of a challenge, particularly if you've made a pie with a tall and fluffy meringue top. This pie plate solves the storage problem neatly with a plastic snap-on lid that will keep the pie safe until the last crumb is gone. The lid has vent holes to release heat in case you have to cover your pie while it's still warm. They'll reduce moisture that could make the crust soggy. The pie plate itself is made from borosilicate glass that's resistant to thermal shock and lets you monitor the crust's browning as it bakes. It's microwave safe if you want to reheat leftovers, and it's dishwasher safe when the last bite of pie has been eaten. Although it's also extremely easy to clean by hand, the inside diameter of the pan is closer to 9.5 inches, and at 2 inches deep, it can hold a substantial amount of pie. The whole setup is a little large, but if storage space is an issue, she found that the lid also snaps onto the bottom of the pie dish, cutting the storage space needed in half. Although, we also think it's a great place to store your pie weights between bakes to keep your essential pie tools all in one place. Pros: sturdy enough for travel, easy to see crust while cooking, microwave and dishwasher safe, BPA and PVC free. Cons: a standalone pie plate is not super attractive. Number 2. Pyrex Easy Grab Pie Plate for Pies and Quiches. Our favorite feature with this pie plate is its tempered glass construction, which is really resilient. Its non-porous surface does an excellent job of not absorbing stains or odor. It is also microwave, preheated oven, and freezer safe with high heat tolerance, perfect for baking directly on. While testing, we were able to heat a pie for 40 minutes with temperatures at 350 degrees Fahrenheit with no issues. On the aesthetic side, these 9.5-inch pie plates clash between exquisite and clean. A heavily contoured, easy grab rim makes it very easy to hold with enough clearance between the rim and base for gloved hands to rest comfortably underneath. Kudos for coming in a 2-pack, which works great with most households. You should get the best pie servers so that you can serve the pies well. These pie plates have distinctive easy grab rims and are made of durable and non-porous tempered glass, which is great for people who want a firm grip when holding. The dish doesn't have any handles, which can make it a little tricky to grab, especially with big oven mitts on. Pros: contoured rims for a stable hold, lightweight, durable tempered construction, dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and oven safe. Cons: 2-inch may not be enough depth for some users. Number 3. Lodge 9-inch Seasoned Cast Iron Pie Pan. A cast iron pan was a dark horse, but our tester was very surprised by cast iron and how it performed. Since the vast majority of people turn to glass, ceramic and metal pie pans for their baking needs, though undeniably heavy and somewhat hard to care for, it requires all the normal care of regular cast iron, both seasoning after heavy use and hand washing. This pie dish cooked evenly and produced a dessert with a lovely golden brown top and bottom, and though undeniably heavy, it's not ideal for anyone with strength or mobility challenges. It's also an incredibly durable pick and one that would last you for years and years to come. Also nice, the heavy-duty pie pan has fluted sides to guide you as you shape the crust and large handles that make it a little easier to carry despite its weight. It may not be as attractive as decorative or colorful ceramic pans, but the black color won't clash with any kitchen colors, and it allows the pie's beauty to take center stage. While this is still a heavy pan, it's not as thick as Lodge skillets or other cookware. Unfortunately, it's just for oven use and shouldn't be used on the stove, making it slightly less versatile. Pros: has large handles, incredibly durable, affordable, virtually non-stick. Cons: very heavy. Number 4. USA Pan Bakeware Aluminized Steel Pie Pan. This aluminized steel pie plate is durable and easy to use. It has a 5 cup capacity, which is larger than most of the pie plates we tested, making this a great option for feeding bigger crowds. The pan has a corrugated bottom, which allows for airflow between the pie crust and the dish and yields crisper, flakier crusts. The ridges in the bottom of the dish also prevent sticking and make serving your pie as easy as, well, pie. In addition, the aluminized finish on this metal pan prevents food from sticking. The pan is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and can go safely into the freezer. The pan has a light color that doesn't absorb heat too quickly, so your crust comes out golden brown and crisp, not too dark. It also has a nice half-inch rim that offers a perfect platform for a nicely crimped crust. That rim, though, is one of its few cons. A small rim can mean oven mid-in pie accidents if you're not careful. It also translates to needing two mid-hands to retrieve the pie from the oven. Otherwise, this is one of the best pie plates we tested. Pros: professional level quality, consistent performance, non-stick interior. Cons: only one size. Number 5. Emile Henry Traditional Pie Dish. If you're after a mile-high apple pie, this timeless pie dish is your best bet. It has deep, steep 2-inch sides and an impressive 6-cup capacity to hold more filling than any other pie plate on this list. The dish comes in several color options to suit any style. The thick, heavy-duty ceramic dish is durable and won't chip easily, but it's also light enough to easily transport your pie. The dish is coated in a shiny, smooth glaze that food doesn't stick to and is fully dishwasher safe. In fact, this dish is so hardy, it can do straight from the freezer to the oven without risking a crack, making it a great option for planners and meal preppers. While testing, we were reminded that ceramic always takes a little bit longer to bake crusts, but will retain that heat well. Since this has more depth than most pie plates, remember to roll out enough of your dough to fully fill this beauty. The signature frilly scalloped edge around this French-style pie plate adds to its charm and frames your crust beautifully. Whether you're baking a double-crusted blueberry pie or a crumble-top Dutch apple pie, this is the perfect pie plate to feed a hungry crowd.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.